Hey everyone, this is the very first time I am going live, so hopefully I am doing this correctly, and I should have seen how to press end just in case I start panicking. But anyway, my name is Bethany and I own a preschool, Christian preschool here in Springfield, Oregon. And today, right now, this very moment, is our open house. So I'm super excited about it. You can come on down. It's here in Springfield, Oregon. So you could check that out. Check out our website too, littlefishpreschool.com. But let me show you around here. Let's see. Hopefully I actually don't even know if this is working. It's kind of funny. But anyway, I'm just gonna keep going as if it's working. So how do you know if it's working? I don't even know. Okay. I should have looked at a how-to video before I did this. I mean, I guess I did once, but it didn't. I don't even know. Okay. I should have looked at a how-to video before I did this. I mean, I guess I did once, but it didn't quite give me much information as I wanted. But anyway, okay. Let me show you. All right, so I have this right here. We have our open house sign. Let me see if I can flip the camera over. Let me see here. Dun, dun, dun. I'm not sure if you can hear the music in the background, but we have music, we have bubbles, all the things. Oh, perfect. I'm going to do this. Sorry, guys. Let's try to figure this out. Oh, I don't even know where to flip the camera is. That's a bummer. Ah. Anyway, so we have some activities for families out here on our front yard. We have the bubble machine, as you can see, and then we have our photo booth over here. By the way, it is 100 degrees out here. It's hot, and we have some water misters out here for families. So we have those, and then we have ones in the backyard where the playground's at. And then anyway, okay, photo booth, more games, our welcome table with some music. Yay, you could probably hear VeggieTales playing right now. And we have our chalk spot. And then croquet corner is over here. And let me take you over here inside. So, come on in. All right. Still trying to figure this out. Okay, so going in. Let's walk inside. I still don't know how to flip over this camera on live, so you're gonna see me a lot. Okay, so here's the inside. You walk in. By the way, we have ice cream. So if you'd like to come on by, we do have free ice cream. And we have some water bottles because it's 100 degrees outside, like I said. That's why my face is so stinking red right now. But anyway, yeah, so we have all of these things right here. We have our circle time area where preschoolers can learn and explore. Over here is our block area. We have our music jamming out. I'm not sure if you can hear it. And then book area. Oh, I see somebody is there. Hello there. If you didn't hear earlier, this is the first time I'm ever going live. So I'm going to try my best to respond to people if they comment. I don't know how to flip over the camera on live yet. I'm still trying to figure it out. Sorry, guys. But anyway, then we have the Play-Doh and some toys over here. This is our activity area, the main activity area, where preschoolers can bring out some things for the writing center, and then our art center is here. And oh, I want to show you my husband. Voila! This is Mr. Billy.
Bars,
oh, yes.
chocolate dips, vanilla ice cream cones, and then some ice cream sandwiches.
Yes. To cool everybody off here at the open house. So, yes, he's our ice cream man. That's what so ice cream. And then, if you come and stop by, we have Furby here, our class pet. She's just hanging out, waiting for everybody to show up. And if you just joined, here in Springfield, Oregon is my preschool, my brand new Christian preschool here in Springfield, Oregon. My name is Bethany, founder, owner, and teacher of Little Fish Preschool. So you can check out our website too, littlefishpreschool.com. But we're having our very first open house right now from 4 to 6:30 p.m. So you can come on down. We have We have free ice cream, water, and water misters to keep people nice and cool. And you can check out our facility, the inside and the outside as well. Oh, I forgot to show you some more things inside. So over here, we have our science and math center. Voila. I wish I could flip. I'm sure there's a way on live that I could flip over the camera. I just don't know how to do it. So I'm so sorry you have to see my face. But okay, so we have our math center. First theme, science theme we're gonna have in September is fish. So shows it all right here in some books, little Tinker Toys. I did have, I'll show you in a minute, but I did have some fish, some toy fish in here. And I just figured, you know what, these will be perfect for outside, the outside water table instead. So I decided to just switch it out to the bugs so children can look through the bugs. And then over here is our little restroom. Of course, little ones have to go potty too, right? And then our dramatic play area. So you can see. I don't know if I'm going too fast, sorry. I've never been live. I know I keep saying that, but I told my husband, I'm like, I think I have to go live today. This is our first open house. I feel pressured to do this, so I'm doing it. All right, so far so good. I don't know if I'm doing okay. Maybe I'm talking too fast. I'm not quite sure. But thank you for your patience, those of you who are still on here. And then let's head out to the backyard where the playground is. So go out this way. And we have some music, decorations, all those things. But when you walk out, you have the little bench and the cubbies where children will place their little shoes. We're going to be wearing slippers inside the classroom just because we don't want the floors to get too dirty or anything. And then this is where children will place their backpacks. And then, bam! Ooh, I think the misters are a little bit crazy right now. I'm now seeing that. I might have to tell my husband to bring them down a notch because they're making our porch a little bit wet. Like, truly wet. I might not go there. But anyway, oh yeah, I'm going to go tell him in a second. And we have the water table with the fish that I was talking about earlier. Let me go tell him really quickly while you're live with me. Why not? I'm not hanging up yet on you or ending this. Not quite sure how to officially end it, but anyway. Hey, Billy, the misters, I was telling them, the misters outside on the porch are like blasting, and our entire porch area is not flooded, but it's pretty wet. So he's also the water mister man. He's helped out with a lot of things. It's, he's getting paid the big bucks, right? Yep. Being my husband, fixing all the things. Anyway, okay, so he's gonna fix that. I was telling them that this is the first time I'm going live and you encouraged me to go on. You're like, do it. Go ahead. Over here is our coloring corner. Yay. So come on down. If you are in Springfield, Oregon or near here and you want to check out our facility, if you're interested in our program, come check it out here in Springfield, Oregon. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to say the address. I'm not quite sure, but check out our website for the address, littlefishpreschool.com. This is our very first open house. And over here's our sandbox. This looks like a pool. I turned it into a sandbox that has a cover over it just because I figured for the open house, I didn't quite want to open that up. And then, of course, our playground. So families, when they come, they can have their children playing. And then, oh, we have our misters finally. I'm not sure if you could see them. Looks like it's a little bit better. It's not flooding like it was before, but you know what? I'm in the mist right now. It's nice. Maybe I shouldn't do that because I might get the camera. Sorry. Yeah. Oh, also, if you looked at our website or if you follow us on social media, you probably watched our tour video. Sorry, the light. And in the video, we did not have this luscious grass in our backyard. Check it out. It's nice. And anyway, this was a lot of dedication and time getting this grass the way it is. So anyway, that's where it's at. So there's that. If you just joined in here in Springfield, Oregon, Little Fish Preschool, we are having our very first open house. So if you're interested in our program, come on down. And we have free ice cream. We have free water because it's really hot outside. We have water misters. We have lots of games and activities for families. So come on down if you're interested, and we would love to have you. And FYI, if you just joined in, this is the first time I'm ever on a live. I've never done this before. I don't even know how to end it. I'm gonna have to like mess with things to figure it out, but I just thought, why not? Out of all the times I need to do this, and my husband encouraged me. So, forgot this center too, this area. Ooh, let's see if I can you focus on here with that? Oh, you can't. This is very different when you're live. Usually with the camera, when you're filming live, you could just press it and then it focuses. Oh, now focused. Okay, anyway, we have a tunnel. When you're filming live, you could just press it and then it focuses. Oh, now focused. Okay, anyway, we have a tunnel, tubes, and then over here is our more toys for the children to play with. And of course, we can't forget the playhouses. But yeah, I don't know how long I'm supposed to be on here. I just kind of feel like I pretty much gave you the main tour. I'm just walking around here, and it definitely feels much nicer underneath these misters than outside. So yeah. So if you can pass on the word, if you are here in Springfield, Oregon, pass on the word that we are having our open house till 6:30 p.m. if you just joined in. Here at Little Fish Preschool in Springfield, Oregon, we are having our very first open house right now from 4 to 6:30 p.m. And we have tons of activities, free ice cream. You get to meet my husband, Billy. He's the ice cream man today. And then our class pet, Furby, and our family pet, Furby. Right? Oh, there she goes. She's going to stretch for you guys. And you could check everything else out. So yeah, we would love to have you guys come and meet me. I would love to meet you if you're local. I mean, if you're not local, thank you so much for even watching this. This is great. I feel very nervous right now. I don't know. People tell me when I start talking on the camera or something, oh, you seem so normal and genuine. I'm like, oh, that's good, because I feel like I'm panicking inside, especially on live. I've always panicked with like even thinking about doing things live. So anyway, here it is. I don't know how to flip over the camera, but here you go. Come on over to Little Fish Preschool here in Springfield, Oregon, and check out our open house. We're waiting for you. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can end this. If not, we will see what happens. Woo! Okay. End live. I'm gonna end now. All right, see you guys hopefully here. I might go live again, I'm not quite sure, but thank you so much for all of you who were on here and watching me, and that's awesome. Makes my heart happy. So, okay, bye.